The objective of this lesson is to combine the index and rand between function and to show you a cool trick. And this could apply to many situations you will have in data analysis. So the problem that we are facing today is that we have 6 people here in a draw, and I want Excel to pick up a winner randomly. And this is where we're going to use the index and rand between formula. If you're not familiar with them, I'm going to put a link in the description so you can check those 2 lessons. But for now, let me explain to you where this can apply. So for example, when you're doing Monte Carlo simulation and you are selecting random data to simulate and check what your model will give, that could be one methodology you can use. If you want to pick some data for scenario analysis, for example, or creating scenarios randomly, this could be another opportunity to use this methodology. So how do we do this? I'm going to do it step by step, and then we combine the formulas. First thing we're going to do, we're going to use rand between. Rand between, if you remember, it will give me a number between the bottom number that I'm going to specify and the top number inclusive. So here I have 6 people, so I'm going to put 1, 6. 1 is John, 2 is Bob, 3 is Mark, etc. Right? And I press enter. So I got 5 here. Then I'm going to use the index formula. When you open the parentheses, first you have an array. So this is where I want to select the winner name, right? Then where is my row? So index will give you the data that is in a certain row that you select in your data set. So instead of typing the row manually, for example 5 or 4, etc., I'm going to pick it up from my random formula. And then I close the parentheses, and because my random formula gave 2 here, I get Bob. And note that anytime you write or you type something in Excel and you press enter, this will auto-update. So if you don't want it to auto-update, what you should do is you just copy the data, and you can come here and say home, paste special values. So this way you will get the values from the random numbers that you got. But in case you don't want this, so if I type anything here, for example, I type 9, again the formula will update. It will give me 4, and 4 is Anna. Now let's combine this formula here. So first I'm going to copy index here. Then I'll go here, I click, I paste it. So this is one step. Second step, I'm going to copy rand between without the equal. Then I'll go here. Instead of this cell, I'm going to paste the formula.